Okay, so we've got Leanne working on some shoulder blade control. So she starts in the back position, and as she comes up, we're rolling the shoulder, we're letting the elbow come up and over, and we're getting protraction and a nice big reach. And then she reverses that motion, the elbow comes high, we watch the trap come down away from the ear again. Really, really nice job, Leanne. Okay, so up, reach over, let the thumb roll down towards the floor, really stretch through that upper body, and then reverse the motion, down, tuck the elbow in tight and roll the wrist up to the sky. So yeah, roll your hand even, your hand. Yeah. Okay, and back forward again. Yeah, nice big reach. Go back down, all the way down. So in our 3-point rotational roll, we want to get ourselves set up a little bit elevated from the floor. A standard bench is good to start off with, but eventually you're going to want some more space so you can reach the hand down to the floor. I'm keeping shoulders and hips stacked, maintaining the same shape in my spine the whole way through this movement. This is the same as our beast pose, as our squat position, as our hip hinge. It's all the same base. Wrist, elbow, shoulder, stacked in a straight line, and we're trying to keep knees and hips level throughout. I've got my dumbbell down at the bottom here. So the aim of the game is to rotate the shoulders and the back down to the floor, feeling a nice stretch through the mid-back. We then unrotate and add our roll. We can sync these two movements up. Once you get comfortable, but the aim of the game is not to be moving from side to side.